Okay, this is how to make a graph for our floating disk. And so very simple, we're going to use 3 columns. I'm going to do time in my first column. I'm going to put our control in our second column. So our control will have no sodium bicarbonate, which to us is CO2. So we don't have any of that. That one's really easy. So what we're going to do is put zeros all the way down for that one. Okay. So sodium bicarbonate. And then our next one is, it's going to be floating leaf disks due to oxygen production. Okay, so I'm going to wrap that real quick. Okay, and so in our video, we're going to have a certain number, and I'm just going to put numbers in here for fun. All the way down to the bottom. And then 10. Okay, so the other part is I need to put 1 minute and then 2 minutes. I'm going to do this all the way to 15 minutes. I think the video spelling matters. 3 minutes all the way down to 15 minutes. And I got a little repeat here. So again, you just have to keep fixing some stuff. Do it right. Guess I'm going to have to type it to get it right. So all the way down, sorry about the time, to all the way down to 15 minutes again is where we're trying to get to. And if we put it in just right and do the work early, then all we have to do is basically copy and paste this into our form. So again, all the way down to 15 minutes, and whatever we get after that is what we get. If we get 10, fine. If not, we don't. So there we go, 15 minutes, okay? And so I'm going to take these 2 off, and then all I have to do, this is the easy part. So I'm going to highlight these 3 charts. Again, this is going to be one line. This is going to be in the next line. I'm going to push insert chart. Again, that's insert chart. Oh, look at that title. That's amazing. Okay. And then I'm going to pick a line chart. And then I might have to, so the part that you might not see, it's there. That blue line right there is 0 because it's got 0. And so just to help everybody out a little bit, I'm going to put a 1 right there. So I know that line's there. Okay. So again, at home, or those of you who are looking at this video after the fact, I'm going to put that 1 right in the no and our control just to show that there's a line there. Okay. There's another way to do it, but that's quick how to do it. Okay. And so I need to label now my axis here because I want all the points. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm going to edit chart, and I'm going to go to customize, and I want to go to chart and axis title. So there's the title, and then in my axis, this one got labeled. I need to label my other axis. And so I need to change to vertical axis. So again, that was customize, chart and axis title, change the vertical axis. And this is the number of leaf floating disks due to oxygen production. So we're measuring photosynthesis that way, okay? And so now let's go through this and check. I have a title that tells me what's going on. I have labeled what these numbers on the vertical axis are. My time was really easy because it was set up and it's labeled time. And then the other part, the last 2 parts, I need 2 lines for a point, and then I need a key, and here's my key. So my blue line is my control. Again, a little bump there to make sure we see it. And 2, here is my number of floating leaf disks over the course of time in this. Now, remember the video, I'll just tell you, they all don't float. So I'm going to know that along the way, okay, to kind of show whether you saw that. And so the next thing I'm going to do, it's really easy. I'm going to copy this. So I just highlighted it, Control C. I want to make sure it goes into Schoology, so I'm going to open up a Google Drive doc real quick. Sure. Get a new doc here real quick. New doc, maybe. New doc. Keep up with me here. New doc. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that picture on there. Hopefully it shows up. And I'm going to recopy it. I'm going to put it in my floating leaf disk forum. Oh, look, there it is. Hopefully. Okay. So might have to go to file and actually insert it and things like that. So that is how you make the chart.